Look at this massive swarm of tumbleweeds rolling across the road, driven by the wind. Nature's raw power on display.
Oh, les voitures et tout. Oh, j'ai tout filmé. Oh putain. Au
Habrá que ibas, ¿eh? Me cago en Dios. Ane, atrás tú. Me cago en. Me cago en. Aló, ¿eh? Alucinante. Vita, güey. Brutal.
Look at this. Day and night happening at the same time in the North Sea. An unbelievable natural phenomenon that defies the laws of time.
Allahu Akbar.
Mati. Mati.
This massive landslide occurred in China, completely blocking the road. These guys were playing a football game when suddenly this happened. This footage captures a geyser or thermal vent erupting in China, releasing hot water and steam in powerful bursts likely caused by geothermal activity beneath the surface. Massive trees falling captured on camera, creating an unforgettable moment.
Mira, mira. No, el que viene de abajo. No.
Oh my God, here we go.
This man captured breathtaking footage from an airplane, showing the moon's shadow racing across the Earth during a total solar eclipse. An awe-inspiring moment in the sky.
Only in a plane. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. Here we go. Oh my God, it's coming right over us like a storm. Look at this. Oh my God, we're getting close. It's getting close. Don't build the oh my God, Corona. There it is. Diamond Belly's beads. Belly's beads, diamond ring. Look at that. Corona. Totality. Totality.
Look at this dangerous squid. It has one of the sharpest beaks in the animal kingdom, effortlessly slicing through objects like a Pepsi can.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Do it again! Do it again! Do it again! One more time! One more time! He's mean!
These mountaineers captured a spectacular avalanche in Canada, tumbling down for an extended period, showcasing the breathtaking power of nature.
Oh my God!
Something's on fire!
नज़ारा ये देखिए
On April 23, 2015, an unknown tourist staying in the nearby town of Puerto Varas captured the breathtaking eruption of the Calbuco volcano.
Oh, concha madre, weón.
Sí, weón.
This striking phenomenon was filmed in Uzbekistan, showing a tree coated in thick frost surrounded by patches of ice. Truly an unbelievable sight. This intense volcanic eruption shows lava fountains, shooting high into the sky, a dramatic display of Earth's raw power. A mysterious cloud was seen falling in Indonesia. Authorities say it's not a natural cloud, but condensation from mining activities. What do you think? Let me know in the comment. This spectacular landslide occurred in Hill Regional Park, New Zealand, showcasing the immense power of nature.
It's so cold. Look at that. Oh, whoa, whoa. Holy crap.
What's happening here? The bird squad's taking over the skies. Looks like they're all in full flight mode today.
Oh my God! They better get up or they're gonna hit the power lines. Holy fuck! That'll give you chills. Oh my God!
Look at this incredible footage of ice breaking away from Lake Michigan after a deep freeze, creating a stunning display of nature's power. This stunning footage captures a rare sight in Tabuk, Saudi Arabia, where a river of hail flows across the desert landscape.
Spingere, cavalli. Spingere. Guarda che là c'è l'acqua sotto. Fiume.
When the sky chose a side, clear blue on one, clouds on the other. A stunning sight.
What the heck, bro? That's one of the biggest avalanches I've ever seen in real life. It's gonna pummel us. Oh my gosh. What? Dude, I hope nobody's down on Boot Hill.
This guy was fishing when suddenly he caught a strange, shiny fish that looks like either a longfish
正口，是个正口。
This is sea foam, formed when waves, wind, or tides stir the water, causing air to mix with it and create bubbles. This tree gets hit by a lightning strike, a shocking display of nature's power. Wow, this is incredible.
شوفوا بس وتطمشوا على المنظر النادر. 23 أكتوبر 2024 إعصار قمعي يلامس السحابة الركامية للأرض.
Oh my god, this tree is so tall and huge. Have you ever seen such a tree before? This terrifying stone flood occurred in the Philippines, creating a dramatic and unsettling scene.
Putain, bug. Legit. Putain.
A powerful landslide tore through a forest in Switzerland, causing massive destruction in its path.
Look at the top. Oh my God. Never! That is bizarre!
What kind of insect is this one? This bizarre natural ice sphere, a truly unique and captivating sight. A dangerous fire tornado, spinning uncontrollably with flames raging high. While hiking in Torres del Paine National Park, two tourists witnessed a massive avalanche crashing down the mountain.
Oh, nunca pensé ver una avalancha en vivo y en directo. A deleitarse con esto. Check out on this python. Look at the muscles in the back of this snake. This is its spine.
Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more exciting content. See you next time.